Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What I'll be teaching you today is how to fix Messenger call problem. So all you need to do is you need to locate your Messenger app and then go ahead and long press that app itself until you get this right here. Now go ahead and click on the I or the information to get into your app info itself. You will then need to go all the way down until you can find the storage right here. Now what we're going to be doing is we want to clear the data and clear the cache as well. So these can be found here at the bottom. So go ahead and clear the data and click delete, and then go ahead and clear the cache as well here on the bottom. And as you can see, it has deleted both the data and the cache at the same time as well. Now let's go ahead and go back into storage right here, and then we need to reset our permissions. So as you can see here, it says the permission section, there are no more permissions allowed. That's because we have reset everything, and now we need to go ahead and allow permissions once again. So let's go ahead and allow permissions for both the microphone right here, and then go ahead and allow, and also for the camera itself right here. Now these two will allow you to have your own phone calls in Messenger, and go ahead and try that out. Another thing to make sure to check is that your Messenger app is fully updated. So just go ahead and go into your Play Store and then search for Messenger, and then make sure that this is on the latest update. If you can see the word open, it means it is fully updated, or if you can see the update, then it means that it is not in this latest version. So just go ahead and update this, and there you go. Go ahead and try it out, and I hope that you have found the tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.